Jimmy, why do you have to make those noises?
Science says if you grunt while you're doing physical
No, that
activity,
doesn't. Nobody says that.
It makes it easier.
Nobody says that.
Like if I'm squatting,
What?
if I'm squatting, I don't squat. If I'm squatting, if I grunt.
Are you saying squatting like the exercise, or squatting like you're gonna go like take over somebody's house?
Oh, no, squatting like I'm gonna take a giant shit.
Yep, throwing you guys right into it. That's normally how I start my nights.
Stop it, Jimmy. Please.
Hour and a half. Man.
Please.
Every time I go up to the door, jiggle, jiggle.
Oh my God. I can't do this.
Jiggle, jiggle.
I bet you could. Something wrong with you. I swear to God, there's something wrong with you.
What could I ask for? I could ask for a lot. I could ask for a lot, but I'm not gonna. Gonna like the rapper. Gonna.
Jimmy has so many personalities, and I'm kind of over the whole presidential one, if I'm being honest.
Neil's trying to stop me from doing these impressions, but how can he do that? How's he going to do that? You're not going to be able to do that. We're going to keep doing it, and quite frankly, no one is as good as I am at doing this. And I'm not going to stop. We're not going to stop. And I'm never going to stop. I'm never going to stop doing this because I'm so good at it. Neil, I'm sorry. It's not going to happen.
Max, I have the hood. I got the hood right here.
Okay. Next wondering where his trash can is.
Yeah, he's still trying to find his trash can.
Where is
Yeah,
it?
I'm like,
Oh, it's probably out front.
Yeah, I'm like, it's probably out front, but like, I don't know why they would use that one. She's like, oh, it's the only place I haven't checked yet. I'm like,
Yeah, it's definitely out
He's
front.
really,
just go get in a trash can, man. Ain't that serious?
dude's really
Unless the
upset.
name was on it or
Dude's real upset about his trash can. I mean,
I don't know.
don't come between a man and his favorite trash can. Never come between a man and his favorite trash can.
Well, time to fill up the canister.
Hey, what are you doing?
I was gonna wash it out.
I already did.
Okay. Already washed
Cleaned
it.
out. Yeah, I already put film on in it.
Okay, so it just needs water?
Yeah, it just needs water.
Okay. What's up, guys? Jim Bob here with another Tesla. Yeah, we're working on the Tesla. It's full body PPF on this thing. We got everything off of it. It's ready to get some film. Tyler's over here working on the Ferrari because he's cooler than us. And Max is back. We're about to tackle this whole fucking car. Wet me up. Yeah. Screech.
You better watch it. Watch where you're squeegeeing, boy.
Squeege. 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 Right at the camera, right at the... No.
Jimmy's a walking inside thought.
Nice and wet, nice and wet. Nice and wet. Bro went to the bathroom.
You have 3 days.
Bro's the new FM film manager, and now he's got to be all... You only have 3 days.
I tell Tyler what needs to get done. Tyler then sets the time limit for Jimmy. And Jimmy's time limit was 3 days for the Model S, because we got spooky nights, and we're closed Friday because of spooky nights. So he's got 3 days to get this Model S done.
Yeah, so we have 3 days to do this. Spooky Nights is on Thursday. And we have off Friday, so this has to be done by Thursday.
Edison.
We'll get it done. Watch.
just lifted it and it was on the film.
Not the film. Look. Don't stick in the film. The mark's still there.
Oh.
Lift it up more. Might be in the paint.
Yeah, no, the hood.
Tesla.
It's not a mystery that Tesla has some of the worst paint in the market. It is a water-based paint and it oftentimes has defects, lines, missing clear, missing base coat, lots of dirt, all that type of stuff. Not saying anything about the brand other than their paint is not the greatest, and as PPF installers, we always got to be on the lookout for, is that in the film or is that in the paint? So unfortunately, this customer has some defects on his hood.
These pretzels are good, ain't?
Yeah.
You like them? Mm-hmm. Pretty good. You guys see me sugar one?
That's my break time. Don't fucking bother me. I'm trying to take my lunch. Talking like, yeah, you see me sugar. Fuck off. My fucking lunch.
I don't want to get COVID.
I need a 9mm.
You don't need a 9mm, you have one.
Yeah, can someone go grab it for me?
There's plenty in the toolbox.
Actually,
They don't make a 9mm socket. He went to school to be a mechanic. They do make a 9mm socket. Commonly, they don't have it in the packs. But he went to school to be a mechanic. He sucks. Bad.
The actual build when it came down to like 1150. It wasn't that bad.
Update on the Tesla. We're done with it. It's done. All the PPF is on the car.
there's something definitely wrong with Jimmy.
It's like 90% trimmed. What? Neil didn't say anything about the hand gestures. That's just what I do now when I talk. Just needs a final look over and a wipe down. Everything's on the car.
You're gonna have to stop. I'll drop kick him or something. I don't know.
He said 12. It's 2.
Cause we good like that, right, Neil?
No! Bert. All right. This is Bert. Bert is the manager of the shop here at Urban Werks. He is the all-knowing, all-seeing, all-being creature. Bert, say hello. Bert, say hello. See? Look into his eyes. Bert is our mascot, and I don't even think customers like to come and see me anymore. They just want to come see Bert. I mean, look at him. He's a cute guy. Oh, sorry. This is Fern. If we pan really far down, you'll see Fern, OG, Urban Werks mascot.
Next day, we got a good chunk of the Model Y done. Just got a couple pieces left. But this Beamer's here just for the front bumpers, so I have to hop off the Model Y for a little bit, help Tyler prep it. It just came here today and it's leaving today, so I'm really trying to think what else to say. Model S is gone, baby. Model S is gone. He came back, he looked at it, he was very happy. We gave him the rundown. He knows. He's an experienced PPF owner. He knows the deal. He was very, very pleased with it. Like Asians for the most part have like really good skin. They have better skincare products, that's for sure.
I mean, my skin's pretty fire.
Have you seen Tyler's skin? I don't even think he has to moisturize.
No. That was a compliment.
Bring it outside. Bring it outside.
My name's Tyler. I'm the film manager. See? Look, I'm the film manager. I'm just gonna keep going. Bye, Tyler.
No, I'm just playing.
No, we gotta get on this. It's serious. He's looking at me so happy. We turn the car off and we get out of the car. Okay.
Damn. Who cut this? Helen Keller?
Cut what? Cut which part?
Golly, what the f is that?
I didn't cut that.
There goes the film manager again. Who cut this side?
Golly.
I did this that way.
Yeah, you did do that side, huh?
Come on, dude. I'm hungry.
Hi, hungry.
Hi, hungry. I'm Tyler. The things we do to get these cars done. We literally don't eat. Tyler hasn't eaten lunch. I haven't eaten lunch. So we had to get this thing done.
Because I had to fix Jimmy's shit. We're still gonna have a meeting after this.
Film manager, we're having a meeting.
Another meeting? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Another meeting.
You and Maxwell.
I think he just wants to have meetings with us so he can talk to us, so we can just have some, some guy time. I think he just says that so we can all hang out. Is that the headlight?
I don't know. I haven't built the car.
Come on, mechanic.
I didn't go to school for it.
Neither did I.
I could tell.
Political science.
He's a Republican.
No, I'm not. I've never discussed politics. No one knows my views. I dropped political science in college, and I am no longer affiliated with that world.
Mel? Yeah, we were in conversation. It just so happened that I forgot to ask.
You shouldn't have to ask.
You apparently have never had a good barber conversation. It just goes, you know what I mean? Just goes.
When I'm at the barber, it's usually both barbers. We're all conversing.
Well, done now with dealing with something.
Wow. All right, well anyways, this Tundra needs to be done in an hour and 15 minutes. We got Mustang that needs done. What else do we got to get done?
Model Y needs prep washed.
Yep.
And
I need the Wrangler pulled out and an update on the S8. Unless I should just assume that's 4 o'clock.
We'll figure that out.
I love it. We'll just figure it out.
We're gonna figure it out.
Copy that.
So how it usually goes here is Steve's the structured side of everything, the work orders, payroll, making sure the schedule gets, done in an appropriate way. I kind of fly over everything, and I definitely do things, as they come up. So when there's something that comes up, I'm gonna figure it out.
I forgot you though. You don't want this? I know you want it, Fern. Come here. See? He's already leaning on me. Type shit.
Spraying the mystery liquid.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Spraying the mystery liquid in the cracks. This keeps dirt from falling out of the cracks into the film.
I think Jimmy was dropped as a baby because I don't know why his mind goes into those places. It's kind of foul. I'm not gonna hold.
I cracked this dash like I cracked Tyler. That's crazy. He got dandruff.
Oh, fuck, I'm funny. that boy ashing out his head, yo. That's crazy. I looked over, I was like, ooh, he needs some head and shoulders.